Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we've got a new vlog for today. So yeah, we've got a new vlog. So and this one right here is I bought this from the game store, right? So yes, here we go, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna have to start with this one. So for the stylus pen set for the 3DS. So since I don't have a pen, so since I don't have a stylus for my I don't have a stylus for my 3DS, right? So that's why I bought a stylus, stylus, and it's one set, so for only $6. Okay, so yeah, um, okay, I'm gonna have to open that one earlier or after that one. Okay, and okay, and also I've got a loose game for the My Hero Wants Justice, right? So yeah, for only just a couple of bucks, yeah, and then, yeah, also this one. So gonna have to open this one. So let's go, gonna have to check it out. Yeah, there you go. So I think this is the other game for the My Hero Academia, right? So this is for the Switch, a loose game. Okay, and yeah, gonna keep this one also. Yeah, this one nice. Okay, nice box. Okay, and also right here is I've got a charger for my PSP. So since the the charger for my PSP is have some problem. I think the cable is stripping out. Okay, the cable. So that's why I have to bought a new one, right? So that's why I have to bought a new one. So it's complete, right? It is complete, right? So gonna have okay. So gonna have to put that back again right over here. So and also I've got a new game. So okay, for my PlayStation 4, I got this God of War for only a couple of bucks, and I got also a Spider-Man. Okay, so here it goes. Look at that. So I already have a God of War, so I'm gonna have to play that one, and then I'm gonna have to put it into my gameplay channel also. And also this one right here also Spider-Man. So I really been wanting a Spider-Man game. Yeah, I'm a huge fan. I'm a huge fan of Spider-Man also, right? So that is why I have gonna get one. Okay, so there you go. So gonna have to check that out. So prepare for some action pack in my gameplay channel, right? So it's because it is gonna be uploaded also into my gameplay channel, right? So I'm gonna have to get some games and a charger for my PlayStation Portable. Okay, gonna have to take this off. Gonna have to take and get a new ones, right? So okay, gonna have to see, gonna have to put this on. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep this one. And also for my stylus pen set, okay, I'm gonna have to put this on. Okay, so okay, here it goes. I'm gonna have to take one of these. Okay, I'm gonna have to pick the excuse me, I'm gonna have to pick the then all right. So it doesn't, I think it is big for this one, right? So yeah, look at that. So it's loosened. So what if gonna be here right here is it says for the new Nintendo 3DS. Okay, I think this is the old one, right? So I think I didn't read it carefully, right? So gonna have to try it out. Okay, it needs to be charged. Okay, yeah, forgot to charge this one, but it's okay. Yeah, it's okay, just like that one. Right? it's not the good, okay, not the for the Nintendo 3DS, right? So I think this is for the Nintendo 3DS XL, right? It says new Nintendo 3DS, right? So I'm gonna have to just like that one, right? Right? Or gonna have to here just like that one. Okay, so yeah, but you're still gonna be, yeah, you're still gonna be having some, so gonna have to put that one right over there. So yeah, all right, so here it goes, guys. So yeah, for the all of these new items that I bought, okay, from the game store, okay. So this is like a thrift store for bunch of video games, consoles, and everything. And they also sell some trading cards also, right? And some plush, and then anything games, okay? Anything games. So they also have some trading games, such like Magic the Gathering, this what is it called, Pokemon. Also they have Pokemon also, and then Yu-Gi-Oh, and then bunch of stuffs, right? For bunch of gaming stuffs that you can, right? Okay, all right, okay.